Siphinde sinibingelele kwi-Ikhaya TV2. Wena uqala ukungena kuleli khaya, siyacela ukucofa ibhathini subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Inkantolo enkulu yase-High Court ePretoria isisikhiphile-ke isinqumo ngecala elalifakwe uJabulani Khumalo elifakele i-MK Party. Kunencwadi-ke la ebhalwe i-MK Party, ngizoyifunda njengoba injalo. Le ncwadi-ke ifundeka kanje, ine-logo ye-MK Party. Media Statement, date 23 September 2024. Umkhonto weSizwe Party statement on the court victory against the expelled Jabulani Khumalo and his hecklers. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party welcomes the ruling of the Pretoria High Court in favor of the MK Party against the former member Jabulani Khumalo, ordering him to pay punitive costs to the MK Party. This follows a series of related court victories by the MK Party against its many detractors in the past 6 months. It started with the ANC of Ramaphosa's failed double challenge to the registration of the MK Party in the Electoral Court and the abortive trademark challenge in the Durban High Court. Next was a series of unsuccessful bids by Khumalo and other expelled members, first in the Electoral Court, then in the Western Cape High Court, and now at the Pretoria High Court. This time, Khumalo wanted to hang on to being a signatory to the MK Party bank account under the pretext that his expulsion is on appeal. This is false because his ill-fated appeal relates only to the issue of the face of the MK Party on the ballot paper, which has been long overtaken by events. The reason for the judgment accompany this statement. It is clear that Khumalo is well funded by the enemies of the MK Party. He continues to collect punitive cost orders and we welcome any indirect ANC donations to the offers as we build the organization. The MK Party will continue to defeat the sellout ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa and its planted agents, both in the courts and on the ground, until the land and the economy are returned to their rightful owners, the African majority. Ifundeka kanjalo-ke incwadi ebhalwe i-MK Party ngemuva ukuthi inkantolo enkulu i-High Court yasePretoria ikhiphe lesi sinqumo sokuthi imchithe uJabulani Khumalo. Lapho-ke ebesezame kaningi ukuzama ukuyisa i-MK Party ezinkantolo ukuze imbuyisele, elokhethi yena ungumholi, ungumnikazi we-organization, lapho-ke ehluleke wancama ezinkantolo.